We're a carpentry company, work on a lot of commercial sites, doing a range of things from doors, skirting, sanitary, deckings, anything carpentry related, even setting up site amenities and stuff like that. You know, I was using a physical diary, writing down what everyone's doing on the day. For day labour dockets, we'd have a day labour book where that's all on Neo now. It just simplifies everything, and then when we did go to the Excel thing, we'd have to create all that, try and make all that work and make it flow.
Different templates, getting into the right files, whether it was for timesheets or anything else, it's just very time consuming.
Yeah, and that just takes it out of our hands. You guys can set all that up and we just use it basically.
From an admin perspective, and I'd probably even think from a site perspective, I found it was really quite easy to use. Really from not ever being exposed to a management program like that, and also the fact that we didn't really need any major training, did we really? You
know, before this, I wouldn't know where everybody is. So now I can get on, look at every job, know where everybody is, where they can be taken, where they need to be. That part of it's great.
And you get to see all your projects all in one, all the workers and basic information whenever you need it.
When I envisioned a thing between site and office, this is basically, you know, it's achieving all of that.
I think that anyone that is looking to manage their business in construction and to have everything collated into one program or one platform, I think something like Neo is vital. And now having the experience of us having been using it for 5 years, I couldn't imagine us not having it. And you know, I think it would be going backwards, let's put it that way. Yeah.